Welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into a topic that is all too familiar for many of us, dealing with stress during the summer holidays. As the temperature rises and the days get longer, it is easy to get caught up in the hustle and bustle of summer activities. But amidst all the fun and excitement, it is crucial to remember the importance of mental health and taking care of ourselves. Seasonal stress can take a toll on our mental well-being in more ways than we realize. The pressure to make the most of the summer months, coupled with expectations of relaxation and enjoyment, can create a perfect storm for heightened anxiety and overwhelm. From family gatherings to travel plans to financial strains, the summer season can bring its own unique set of stressors that can impact our mental health. Addressing stress during the summer holidays is not just about finding temporary relief. It's about investing in our long-term well-being. By acknowledging and actively managing our stress levels, we can prevent burnout, improve our overall quality of life, and cultivate resilience in the face of life's challenges. Taking the time to prioritize our mental health during the summer months sets a powerful foundation for a healthier, happier future. We know that navigating stress during the summer holidays can feel overwhelming, but you are not alone. Whether you're feeling the pressure of social expectations, struggling to find balance in your daily routine, or simply feeling the weight of the world on your shoulders, we are here to offer support and guidance. Remember, it is okay to prioritize your mental health and take the necessary steps to care for yourself during this busy season. So grab a cool drink, find a comfortable spot to relax, and join us as we explore practical tips and strategies for managing stress during the summer holidays. Together, we can create a summer filled with moments of peace, joy, and self-care. Let us dive in as we soak up the sun and enjoy the carefree days of summer. It is important to recognize that this season can also bring its fair share of stressors. In this segment, we will delve into the common signs and symptoms of stress during the summer holidays to help you identify and acknowledge your stress levels. By understanding these indicators, you can take proactive steps to prioritize your mental health and well-being. Summer holidays can be a mixed bag of excitement and pressure, with various triggers that can contribute to heightened stress levels. From the chaos of travel planning to the dynamics of family gatherings, to the disruptions in our daily routines, these seasonal stressors can leave us feeling overwhelmed and emotionally drained. By recognizing these common triggers, we can better prepare ourselves to navigate the challenges that come our way. One of the first steps in managing stress is to tune into our own emotions and behaviors. By taking a moment to reflect on how we are feeling and how we are reacting to different situations, we can gain valuable insights into our stress patterns. Are you feeling irritable or on edge more often than usual? Are you finding it difficult to relax and unwind? These are all clues that your stress levels may be on the rise. Stress does not just affect our minds. It can also manifest in physical, emotional, and behavioral ways. Physically, you may experience symptoms like headaches, muscle tension, or digestive issues. Emotionally, stress can show up as feelings of anxiety, sadness, or irritability. Behaviorally, you might notice changes in your sleep patterns, appetite, or social interactions. By paying attention to these signs, you can start to connect the dots between your stress levels and your overall well-being. By being attuned to the signs and symptoms of stress during the summer holidays, you can take proactive steps to manage your mental health and create a more balanced and fulfilling season. Stay tuned as we explore practical strategies for coping with stress and fostering resilience in the face of seasonal challenges. During summer's hustle and bustle, finding ways to manage stress and prioritize your mental wellness is essential. In this segment, we will share practical tips and techniques for navigating the challenges of the summer holidays, empowering you to take initiative-taking steps towards a healthier and more balanced mindset. By incorporating these coping strategies into your daily routine, you can cultivate resilience and create a sense of calm amidst the seasonal chaos. One powerful way to combat stress during the summer holidays is to incorporate mindfulness practices, relaxation exercises, or breathing techniques into your daily routine. Whether it is taking a few moments to focus on your breath, practicing gentle yoga stretches, or simply grounding yourself in the present moment, these techniques can help reduce stress levels and promote a sense of inner peace. By tuning into your body and mind, you can cultivate a greater sense of awareness and control over your stress response. Setting boundaries and prioritizing self-care are crucial components of managing stress effectively. During the summer holidays, it is easy to feel overwhelmed by social obligations, work demands, and family expectations. By establishing clear boundaries around your time and energy, you can protect your mental well-being and prevent burnout. Remember to prioritize self-care activities that nourish your body and soul. Whether it's taking a leisurely walk, enjoying a relaxing bath, or indulging in your favorite hobby, Amidst the chaos of summer, it's important to carve out time for activities that bring you joy and relaxation. Whether it is spending time in nature, pursuing creative hobbies, or connecting with loved ones, engaging in activities that nourish your soul can help alleviate stress and boost your mood. By being available for moments of joy and relaxation, you can recharge your batteries and approach life's challenges with a renewed sense of energy and positivity. By incorporating these effective coping strategies into your daily routine, you can proactively manage stress during the summer holidays and foster a greater sense of well-being. Stay tuned as we explore more tips and techniques for promoting mental wellness and resilience in the face of seasonal stressors. As we navigate the difficulties of the summer holidays, it is crucial to cultivate a supportive and nurturing environment that promotes mental well-being. In this segment, we will guide you on how to create a space that fosters positivity, resilience, and self-care during the busy summer season. By implementing these strategies, you can build a foundation of support that empowers you to navigate stress and challenges with grace and strength. One key aspect of cultivating a supportive environment is setting realistic expectations and boundaries with yourself and others. During the summer holidays, it is easy to get caught up in the pressure to do it all, from attending every social event to checking off every item on your to-do list. By setting boundaries around your time, energy, and commitments, you can prevent overwhelm and protect your mental well-being. Remember, it is okay to say no and prioritize your own needs and limits. Open communication is essential for fostering a supportive environment during the summer holidays. By expressing your needs, concerns, and emotions to friends and family members, you can create a space for understanding, empathy, and connection. Whether you're feeling stressed, anxious, or overwhelmed, do not hesitate to reach out for support and share your feelings with those you trust. Together, you can navigate challenges and celebrate moments of joy and togetherness. Creating a self-care routine and incorporating positive affirmations into your daily life can have a profound impact on your mental well-being. Whether it is starting your day with a moment of gratitude, practicing mindfulness meditation, or engaging in activities that bring you joy, self-care rituals can help you recharge and rejuvenate amidst the summer chaos. By incorporating positive affirmations into your daily routine, you can cultivate a mindset of self-love, resilience, and empowerment. By embracing these strategies for creating a supportive environment during the summer holidays, you can nurture your mental well-being and build a solid foundation for navigating life's challenges with grace and strength. Stay tuned as we explore more ways to promote positivity, resilience, and self-care during the summer season. As we wrap up our discussion on managing stress during the summer holidays, it's essential to reflect on the key points we've covered and reaffirm the importance of prioritizing your mental health during this busy season. By recognizing and addressing seasonal stress, you can cultivate resilience, well-being, and a sense of balance that will carry you through the summer months and beyond. Recap of the importance of recognizing and managing seasonal stress. Throughout this video, we've emphasized the impact of seasonal stress on mental health and the significance of addressing stress during the summer holidays for overall well-being. By acknowledging common stress triggers, recognizing signs and symptoms of stress, and implementing coping strategies, you can proactively manage your mental health and navigate the challenges of the summer season with greater ease. We encourage you to take the insights and strategies shared in this video and implement them into your daily routine. Whether it's practicing mindfulness, setting boundaries, engaging in self-care activities, or seeking support from loved ones or professionals, remember that you have the power to prioritize your mental well-being and create a supportive environment that nurtures your resilience and inner peace. If you find this video helpful and informative, we invite you to subscribe to our channel for more resources and tips on mental health, well-being, and self-care. By liking, commenting, and sharing this video with others, you're not only supporting our community but also spreading awareness and empowerment around prioritizing mental health during the summer holidays and beyond. Remember, your mental health is a priority, and you deserve to feel supported, empowered, and resilient during the summer season and beyond. Thank you for joining us on this journey towards greater well-being. Together, we can navigate stress, cultivate positivity, and embrace a summer filled with moments of peace, joy, and self-care. Stay well, stay mindful, and take care of yourself.